is for avalanche, no go fast. Avalanche, avalanche down at last. Avalanche, avalanche, no we blast. B is for blizzard, cold and white. Blizzard, blizzard, blowing tight. Blizzard, blizzard, snowball fight. C is for cyclone, spinning round. Cyclone, cyclone, hear the sound. Cyclone, cyclone, shaking ground. D is for drought, no rain today. Drought, drought, sky so gray. Drought, drought, plants won't play. E is for earthquake, rumble low. Earthquake, earthquake, feel it go. Earthquake, earthquake, to and fro. F is for flood, water rise. Flood, flood, big surprise. Flood, flood, wet the skies. G is for geyser, hot water spray. Geyser, geyser, up it plays. Geyser, geyser, steam all day. H is for hurricane, windy ride. Hurricane, hurricane, ocean wide. Hurricane, hurricane, better hide. I is for iceberg, floating high. Iceberg, iceberg, cold goodbye. Iceberg, iceberg, ships go by. J is for jet stream, air that moves. Jet stream, twist and grooves. Jet stream, weather proofs. K is for krill bloom, ocean treat. Krill bloom, fishing feast. Krill bloom, whales eat sweet. L is for landslide, down the hill. Landslide, landslide, dirt and thrill. Landslide, landslide, never still. N is for monsoon, heavy rain. Monsoon, monsoon, come again. Monsoon, monsoon, water train. N is for northern lights, colors dance. Northern lights, take a glance. Northern lights, skies romance. O is for ocean wave, rising high. Ocean wave, near the sky. Ocean wave, say hi hi. P is for plate shift, deep below. Plate shift, slow they go. Plate shift, earth's own show. Q is for quicksand, soft and slide. Quicksand, sink or try. Quicksand, say goodbye. R is for rainstorm, pouring loud. Rainstorm, big gray cloud. Rainstorm, wet and proud. S is for sun flare, fire in space. Sun flare, solar race. Sun flare, bright the face. T is for tornado, twisty tail. Tornado, spin the trail. U is for undertow, sequels tight. Undertow, out of sight. V is for volcano, lava flows. Volcano, red it glows. W is for water stop, sea tornado, spin. Water stop, splash begin. X is for extreme heat, desert sun. Extreme heat, not much fun. Y is for yellow fog, thick and slow. Yellow fog, can't see below. Z is for zephyr, breeze so sweet. Zephyr, cool the street. Fire to snow, from sky to sea. Nature's power from